Are you looking for a simple side hustle you can start right now using just your phone or laptop? You know me, I'm a woman of making money with your smartphone, making money with your skills without investment. In 2025, thousands of people are already making money online with AI. And the best part is you don't need a big budget or fancy skills because ChatGPT 5 is here to help you start your side hustle. Here is a crazy fact, guys. About studies shows that over 61% of people worldwide, they want a side hustle to earn extra income. And in USA alone, nearly 40% of working adults already they run one. Now with AI tools like ChatGPT 5, starting your side hustle has never been easier. ChatGPT 5 can write, can research, can brainstorm, can design, and even can create scripts and content for you. It's like you're having a 24/7 business partner that never sleeps. So let's break down exactly how you can turn this into extra cash. Good morning. Welcome this mind-blowing video. To my subscribers, please, this is a right place for you on how to turn your smartphone and ChatGPT into a full-time income. And to my beautiful engagers, Immaculate Show people, I love you so much. We are here because you are there. Thanks for engaging. Thanks for sharing. If you know you have never subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video to another person. Please, your engagement means a lot to us because it's the engagement that gives the algorithm that, this message is so much important. You guys, the topic of today is how to start a side hustle with ChatGPT 5. Like the way you have heard, starting a side hustle has never been easier. But with ChatGPT is very, I'm enjoying it. Let's dive in and see how can we start our side hustles. And I have like 5 ways of how ChatGPT has made our life soft. The first one is freelance writing and content creation. The demand for content is endless. Blogs, social media posts, products, description, these ones, the demand is very high. With ChatGPT 5, you can create polished articles in minutes and sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. So just rush down and do this. This video is going to be very short and precise, but if you want something lengthy, please put it in the comment section. And the disclaimer, guys, this video is purposely for education purposes only. It provides you with like 10 or less than 10%. If you want details, you can go and research and add on 90% on yourself. The second way is social media management. This is how ChatGPT can completely give you to start a side hustle. Social media management, we know smaller businesses, they need helpline. They need helpline and they need help online. ChatGPT 5 can generate captions, create content calendars, and even suggest trending hashtags for you. Your package is a monthly service, and suddenly you can have a recurring income. The third is YouTube and TikTok script writing. Video creators, they need engaging scripts. ChatGPT can research, can write viral video scripts for you, and even for you to give your clients. Now, you might not need to sell them out, but you can be having a channel like me. Also, it can help you to make your own scripts for your channel. This one, it saves you hours of brainstorming in time. It saves you hours of writing. It saves you hours of editing. The fourth is ebook and digital products. You can use ChatGPT 5 to write an ebook, to write a guide, or even workbooks and sell them on Amazon. When we talk about Amazon, there's Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Here, it's advantageous to us because you write once and earn passive income forever. Then there's affiliate marketing and online businesses. AI can generate products, reviews, and even email campaigns, and it can also make for you a landing page copy for your business. You focus on choosing products, while ChatGPT 5 does the heavy lifting with words that can sell your products. You guys, don't be there and say, you know what, I don't have a side hustle. What? When I see someone saying a side hustle, I just laugh. ChatGPT can tell you the truth. And the truth is, a side hustle does not need to be complicated. When we talk about side hustle, it means money that you can get from a side. But in the long run, these ones, you can even make it a permanent side hustle. What you need to do, you need to go to ChatGPT with your browser. You have the power to start fast. What you need, just scale smartly, slowly, and earn extra income without burning out. And in the end, you can make it your full-time job. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start your side hustle, this is it. Your side hustle can start tonight with Open ChatGPT 5. So go ahead, open up ChatGPT 5, pick one of these methods and take your first step today. Because the earlier you start, the sooner you earn, and the better for you to move away from the stress that you have been facing about lack of money. There are 5 methods of you start a side hustle. But if I was you, I can pick 2, I can pick 3, because the more methods you use, the more money you'll get. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these methods and what you think we can do next video. Bye-bye.